Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're heading to a car meet. They've kind of thrown this whole thing on as like a welcoming meet. And if you remember when we were in Malaysia, we met a bunch of people that had a Jay-Z swapped Mercedes, all the really cool Honda Civics that shot crazy flames and stuff. They were all from Thailand. They drove for 3 days to get to Malaysia for that event that we went to at Retro Havoc. Now, we're obviously in their backyard. So we're gonna go hang out with them today, and we're going in style. We got the Honda Civic on TC4 wheels, really nice. Nick's driving us, we're gonna jump in and go. So Nick, this is your pride and joy, right?
Yep, this is a Civic, it's hybrid. Okay. But, you know, it's good for daily.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it manual or auto?
Definitely auto.
Oh, okay. Oh my God. We officially made it to the car meet, guys, and it looks amazing. Dude, I'm stoked on this red thing. Gosh, dude, the older Mercs look so good. And look at this car now. Dude, I love it. Big hardcore sticker right here. Dude, Jun loved this car so much. Yeah, I like the new look. Hardcore mother. As you know, it is currently the month of Garrett on SAMMIT.net. We're giving away one of these Garrett boxes every single day to a random person's order from that day till the end of the month. If you haven't placed an order yet, go do it. We have blow-off valves, wastegates, and turbos. And what I can tell you though is we have more turbos than ever right now. So now would be the best time to place an order on SAMMIT.net to get yourself one of these. But also more than ever, because we are now launching our brand new HKS collab shirts and varsity jackets. These have been in the works, guys, for over a year. HKS has never done this before, and we're the first. How cool is it? Full proper varsity jacket, fully embroidered, high quality. Check it out. I've been wanting to do something like this for the longest time, and we finally did it. We got approval. It is all legit. Also, the shirts are freaking incredible, and make sure you definitely go to SAMMIT.net and place an order, because not only do you get a piece of history, like I said, HKS has never done this before with anyone. To be able to do a collab merch drop with them is such a privilege. I'm super excited. Make sure you place your order right now on SAMMIT.net to get yourself not only a Garrett Turbo, but a HKS collab varsity jacket and shirt. Let's freaking go. It seems like more and more people are starting to rock up, which is awesome. But I can't tell you guys just how cool these cars are here. It's so interesting checking out all the different types of car culture around the world and just seeing what people do. Thailand's definitely special. It's crazy. This car, as you know, we saw this in Malaysia. If you don't know, it's an older Mercedes with a 1JZ swapped into it. And then this car I haven't seen before. I'm really curious about it because it's got, I mean, it's probably got turbos on both sides. Looking at those exhaust pipes. Honda Civic. I believe a GTO, and it kind of blows my mind. There's a 34 GTR here. Very nice. Super clean. Another GTO. It's tripping me out. These cars from a distance somewhat resemble a Supra. And then as you get closer, you're like, oh, nope. FDO's here, maybe. Maybe I'm getting mixed up. Is the GTO the one that's all-wheel drive, and then these are maybe only front-wheel drive? I'm not sure. Yeah, these are both FTOs. We got this thing. Some Toyota. Maybe Corolla? I'm not sure. Crazy lot of stuff going on in the engine bay. And A by the looks of things. I'm loving the engine bay glow. Very cool. The Advan livery is fire. So where we are is actually a go-karting track. So they actually, this is super interesting. All their go-karts are electric converted. So you see all the frames and stuff there. It's kind of like their shop, and I think they fix a bunch of other stuff here too. But just like looking around, it's super interesting. So like a custom LiPo battery pack here, and I guess some kind of controller module maybe here, and then the electric motor. I wonder how fast these are. I wonder if they use like regenerative braking or anything. It's very interesting. I've never seen this done before. I guess it's a big thing over here. Very cool, right? I wonder what the weight's like. Probably around the same as the normal, like, you know, 50cc motor. Even these like little twin guys, all electric converted. Little battery pack there. It's really cool. So the track where we're actually parked all the cars for the meet tonight, that's all for these, you know, electric cars. Then there's a smaller track here where everyone gets to use drift trikes. How cool is that? Dude, I love Thailand. Look at this little track. You get to slide around on them. On this. Freaking genius, man. Love it. Oh, there's electric. Wait, they're electric? Yeah, you're right. They're all electric. They don't have any pedals. They're electric drift trikes. That's even cooler. The rear end of this Mercedes is pure fire. The wing, the diffuser, everything about it is incredible. Dude, I love this car so much. I can't wait to see what's under the hood. Incredible. Let's see if we can ask someone, have a look.
Lego.
Show me what's inside.
King Leto.
King what?
Lego.
King Lego.
Owner.
Oh, okay.
2 car.
This is, wait, you have 2 cars? The Lego,
yeah.
the Lego Civic and this?
Yeah.
Stop it. 1 UZ twin turbo?
No, 3 UC.
2 UZ?
Yeah.
2 UZ twin turbo?
Yeah.
What's it sound like?
ยากแล้วTranslate.
With the HKS sequential blow valve. This looks incredible. Here we go. They're Greddy turbos. You're crazy, man. So when I saw him at Retro Havoc in Malaysia, he has the Lego Civic, but this is his other car. Fire?
Yes.
Yeah, fire.
Twin fire.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm ready. Of course I'm ready. I'm ready. Bro, that is sick. Hell yeah. Really cool. Very cool. So good. Having a look inside, he's running a fuel tank, a 550. It makes sense now why he's got an auto trans, because the 1UZ, it's very hard to manual swap them. Carbon seats, dude, this thing is so cool. Amazing. Dude, I'm so jealous. Dude, I want to build an older Mercedes to do something crazy like this. This is perfect. So this is Prasad, and we met at Retro Havoc.
Yes.
He had a Cressida then. But now he brought this E36 and he was like, Sam, I want you to come look in the engine bay. There's a freaking LS3 in here. LS3, right?
Oh, it's one.
Oh, LS1. Oh, okay. I was a little thrown off by the covers. So cool. I'd never thought I would see an LS1 swapped E36 in Thailand. Obviously, for you guys watching from the US, this is something you're used to seeing. But for Thailand, this is quite hard and difficult to do, right?
Might be only one.
Maybe the only one in Thailand. Dude, it's so cool. Is it manual?
Yes, manual.
Oh,
6
perfect.
speed. Yeah.
6 speed? So does it have the
T56?
T56?
Merc.
Dude, perfect. Perfect. Dude, and it's such a clean one, like a clean chassis. It's beautiful. Damn. I'm so jealous, man. This is a beautiful, dude, it's so clean. So you'll never see like a LS swapped E36 in the US where the interior is so OEM and unmolested. Absolutely incredible. Dang. Very jealous. Such a nice car.
Thank you.
Thank you. This guy, the pink shorts, the shirt, it all matches, and then you got the car. I love it. This curvy car is like my favorite. What are you doing? So I don't fully understand what's about to happen, but everyone just said fireworks incoming. And if it has anything to do with what we just saw with the red car, I think this is about to get good. That's definitely a different kind of fireworks than what I'm used to seeing. Oh my gosh. The heat coming out of this engine bay. Oh no freaking way. Yo! What? Sheesh. Little baby. She did up. These things held up good. Freaking D16 or whatever that is. The one JZ. Oh, you can't see it glowing red. It's gonna turbo beat. Thank God. Damn. God damn. That was crazy cool. You guys are all crazy.
Yeah,
You're crazy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All crazy.
All crazy.
All crazy.
You're the man.
Everyone.
Man. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, I love it. The dude rocks the freaking shirt, the shorts, the car. Everything is perfect about this Civic. I'm sure one day it'll end up with a K series too. What even is this little engine? It almost looks like a D16, but I don't think it is. So now that the fireworks is done, we're gonna do some drift triking with these electric trikes. I got the GoPro, so I'm gonna just kind of slap it on and see how we go. This is gonna be fun. The drift trikes were amazing. The only thing is my long, lanky legs in the way. So I apologize if you saw too much pasty white boy thighs. You're gonna probably see a lot of that here in Thailand at the moment. Dude, I love this place. That's a massive pool table. The vibes here are great. There's a restaurant in there we're gonna go eat. Should be good. First time trying EST cola. I guess it's a Thailand brand cola. And they give you these cups just full of crushed ice. It's really good. I gotta say, it's nice. It's really refreshing. The drift trikes, I'm still like mind blown by how much fun that was. So many more cars arrived. This is sick. Oh my God. The yellow E36. This looks like a M3. It's in such good shape. God, the Civics look so good. More BMWs. Still crazy there's a freaking 34 here. Dude, what is this other Civic over here? A Pandem one? Why wasn't this here before? Beautiful EG. D16, I think, or 15 maybe, if it has VTEC, I'm not sure. The big whale thing. The whale intake. Dude's got ASM Recaros? No way. Workmeisters. Dude, it looks so good. It's on air. Big speaker in the back. Dude, it's like my dream Civic. I'd rock that down the Kunzelzoku. Let's go. We're about to head back to the hotel, and we're in, I guess, a Mugen Accord. Super cool. Very clean. Pop the hood, pop the hood. Everyone's like saying it's 1,000 horsepower. What is this, a B18?
S22.
Oh, it's an S22.
Yeah.
Really? What?
Yeah.
There you go. That's cool. Let's go. It's 250?
Yeah.
That's all right. 250's good. Come pop the hood. This thing is awesome. Little wing. Love it. So cool. I'm definitely a closet Honda boy. I mean, but you guys already knew that. Jack! Let's go! What is beeping? Oh, his oil pressure. Oh no! Okay? Okay? It's broken? Oh, okay, okay, good. I was worried about his engine. He said, son, when you grow up, would you be the savior of the broken, the beaten and the damned? He said, will you defeat them, your demons, and